Hiro kudhurania woti kia raini bei itemo na wiki karo na kariba Meru kenda kwa ria mantu mwanya igio woti akiarire kamishina munene oro watilite Lilian Nyagwanda nerite ya Kenya baithero choki woti ndibo tax returns mbere ya tariki 30 mweri wa mwaka yu mutugikare aribotie
Muthenya Joana rwangirwa KRA ruithirite rutirimene na kari na taramba kambuni na biashara mwanya ja Meru barina moroto jwa kwaraniria mantu jegi ogoti kueja na ntaira na witi na mbere kiri mantu jegi rwangirwa ogoti.
The objective of this engagement was to listen to the citizens, understand their issues around tax areas, and be able to listen and also give solutions or provide way forward or pick up the feedback on areas and actions that we're going to implement. And we've agreed that this is just the beginning. This is going to be an ongoing engagement. Key areas raised revolve around our systems, filing of returns, citizens engagement, sensitization, taxpayer education, and we've been able to make our commitments on areas that we are going to work on, and we are welcoming the citizens to continue giving us feedback.
Kurukia karine bainyiritwe kujuriria litancha ombere antariki 30 mweri twitite kenda bakethra bakeba mikwanjo yogoti.
So we are encouraging citizens to also file their returns as we go towards the deadline, which is 30th June.
That's why we are making the systems easier and more friendly. Creating multiple channels that citizens can use to file, everything from USSD to WhatsApp. You can do it on eCitizen, you can do it online. So all these channels, multiple channels, so that citizens can participate.
Mudiene kiri kiudia ya bibil chempesa baruga no kabagutegera ni besinga ni gutonya ni kumagara kenda bakomba komya ni kigena kinganatea ndi ubombe kwithira bakimenya mo biashara kare ogoti bunganatea na ni bethirite bakiudia biashara bakethira bakigiogwa.
We are looking at business transactions because business transactions are what generate income, and income is what is subject to tax. So there is no cause for alarm for anybody. We would never ever look into your data or your personal M-Pesa.
Kiripotrande tosheweru rea kwari etwa ni mutugen kare.